Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Tower United 1798, visual 25 left.
United 1798, Phoenix Tower, runway 25 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 25 left, United 1798.
South 1954, turn right, Golf 3, hold short, runway 25 right at Foxtrot 9.
Right turn, Golf 3, short of 25 right, Fox 9, Southwest 1954.
South 1954, cross runway 25 right at Foxtrot 6, turn right on Echo, contact ground.
Clear to cross 25 right, Fox 6, Echo over to ground, Southwest 1954.
Delta 2274, Phoenix Tower, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
25 right, clear for takeoff, Delta 2274.
Skywest 4969, Phoenix Tower, runway 25 right, line up point.
25 right, line of point, 549,
United 1798, turn right, Golf 2, right on Foxtrot, hold short, runway 25 right at Foxtrot 9er.
Right, Golf 2, right, Fox, short, 25 right at Golf 9.
No, United 1798, hold short of runway 25 right at Foxtrot 9er.
Short Fox 9, thanks.
Thanks, I need that with your call sign.
United 1798, short Fox 9.
Yeah, I know this is going to get annoying, but I need the runway and your call sign and the hold short instruction all in one big, beautiful package.
Copy, then don't give us taxi instructions, one around rollout. United 1798, hold short, 25 right at Foxtrot 9.
When do you suggest I give you the instructions when you're clear of the runway?
Yeah, just when we're clear of the runway sometime would be great, thank you.
Thank you. I've never done that in my 20-year career.